Hello guys, welcome to Technical Trainings. So today we are going to discuss on the very interesting topic, that is live face detection. Okay, so in my previous video I've showed you that how to detect the face from the images. So in this tutorial we'll discuss how to detect the face and eyes from the live webcam. Okay, let's see. So the steps are very easy. Live face detection: to import the model, import CV2. Then har cascaded file. I have discussed what is har cascaded file. If you have not watched that my previous video, please go and watch that previous video. Okay, so in that I have just uploaded that har cascade file also, I think. If I am not, then I will upload in this video, this video link. Okay, now faces. To detect the faces, I have used the har cascade, that frontal face default .xml. Okay, so we have discussed what exactly XML means. Okay, now to detect eyes, I have just I've used har cascaded underscore eye. Okay, so these are the main thing that you will need in your code to detect the faces. Okay, now using this command I will just on my webcam. Okay, if I execute this command, my webcam will get on. Okay, now let's clear one thing over here. Now suppose you are using any external webcam, okay, for USB webcam or any wired webcam. So in that case you have to just change this 0 to 1, because 0 is nothing but the default webcam. Okay, and if you are putting 1, it will take the external webcam as a input. Okay, now this is the main code that will give you the detection. Okay, so let's understand the code over here. I just make one frame to capture each and every you can say frame of my webcam. Okay, after capturing, okay, I've just converted into grayscale. Why grayscale, guys? Because you have seen that har cascaded official website also, the most of the faces are detected, or you can say analyze, or you can say do any programming on the grayscale image, because in the grayscale image there are only two colors like black and white. So it's pretty much simple to do any algorithm on that thing. Okay, and again we have to just recover that image into our RGB color. So we are using this CV2 color. Okay, convert color. Then I've just given BGR to gray. Why BGR to? Because the default format in opencv, or you can say in programming, that blue, green, red, and this is gray. Okay, now I've just created this for loop over here for face. Now this for loop is for face, and the second for loop is for eyes. Just pretty much simple, guys. Just understand the thing. That's it. You can understand each and everything. There are four alignment of variable over here: x, y, w, h. So I have discussed this thing also in the previous video. Okay, so this will just create a rectangle frame on my face. Okay, now after creating the rectangle frame, I will just give the width thickness by 4. You can change the color. This is nothing but the color 0, 0, 255. Okay, this is nothing but the color. Now make the color face also. Okay, so after detecting the image and after drawing it face, okay, I will just check that eyes also, because I want the face, my eyes are inside my face rectangle. Okay, so I will just detect my eyes also in the particular face itself. Okay, now after getting the see this thing, drawing the rectangle, we have just moved to eyes section. In the eyes section there are also full comma a, b, c, d. Now why a, b, c, d? Because this is my starting position, guys, x, y, and it will end till x plus w and y plus h. Now w and h is nothing but height and width. I will show you in the output session. Okay, and detect multiscale is nothing but inbuilt of the frontal face. Okay, frontal face default. Now cv2.im show, this will show me the you can say what you can say pop-up of the output. Okay, and I have just give the name at live stream, and I have just taken from frame. Okay, now all these things are saved in frame over here. Clear? And if cv2.wait key 1 second for 13, my 13 is nothing but enter button. Okay, my enter button is nothing but 13 number. Now capture.release cv2.destroy all windows. Okay, So let's see the output of this code. Execute, execute, then go down, execute, 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 execute. Let's see the output, guys. See, you can see my eyes and face are also detected in this. Okay, so like this you can have the check how to detect. Now you can see my red color is the face rectangle and my green color is nothing but the eyes rectangle. It's not very much accurate, means it's getting deflect, but it's very good. To close it, hit enter away. Okay, so this was the thing, guys. I hope you like the video. You get some of the thing from this code itself. Okay, don't worry about the code, I will share in the GitHub link. And that's for today itself. Okay, so guys, meet you in next video. Till then, learn, keep learning with technical trainings, and you keep learning with all your stuff. Okay, don't sit and just waste your time. Thank you so much. Meet you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.